If you want to make a lot of money on Pinterest, using AI is kind of the way to go, right? In my opinion. So I have access to new tools. You've never seen this before because I have beta access. It's called Pin Blender. It's going to allow you to do things faster, easier than ever before.
That's amazing. We will learn how to make money from this video. Even though the fact is he is the one making the real money here. And I will show you step by step. Before that, let me show you something interesting. This video was posted 3 weeks back, and so far we made over $14,000 in sales from this one video. I will explain you how the money was made, but before that, the comments on this video is interesting. This video is quite complete. It has all the information, but still people comment, how does it work? I want to know more. Can you explain how to start? I will give you the answer how to start. And let's start with this video. He started with a new AI tool that only he has beta access to. We don't have access, you don't have access. So I went to a brand new AI, which is launched by Alibaba Group from China. And people say that it works better than ChatGPT and even better than DeepSeek. So I asked a simple question. Give me the list of Pinterest automation softwares that also use AI. And I got a list of 10 softwares, not one. 10. So my friend, I do not need to watch this video if he doesn't give me access to that software. I know about the features of this program. I know about the automation capabilities. So it automates pin scheduling, repinning, and loop queues to ensure consistent content distribution. The next one, the next one, the next one, and so on and so forth. Okay, Marsh, that's a lot of text. I am here to have some fun, watch some interesting stuff like flashy graphics type, and show me the money. Well, my friend, my students make money with our 99% done for you program. And this program is a paid program. They spend tons of money to join our program. What I am giving you is exactly what they learn from us, but I'm giving you for free. So stay tuned. You will learn just like them. The only difference is we did, and we do literally 99% of the technical work for them, so they do not have to go through the hassle of taking care of the technical work. And if you are interested to this, there is a link in the description that will take you to this training page. If you are busy like me or lazy like me, or if you have a 9-to-5 day job, you need something done for you, but before signing up, you want to learn about it fully, then this is the training video just for you. It will show you how our 45 minutes per day system can make $500 commissions with a 99% done for you system without a product selling, shipping, or paid ad, without customer support, and even without a website. Yeah, of course, there will be a website, but we will be the one making it for you. And remember to watch this video to the full after having all the information step by step. Transparently. If you still have questions, we have an AI chat agent ready for you 24/7. It is trained to speak like me. It will give you all the answers. But if you still want to speak to me one-on-one, DM me on Instagram or send me a message on Facebook Messenger. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Sounds good? So you have something ready, 99% done for you. Link is in the description. And probably I can get some of your attention to actually learn about it for free and make some money from this video. So my habit is to learn from tables. I put all the information on the table and then compare the data. That's how I operate. AI can do it for me. So I just asked to put all the information in a table. It put me all the information including the prices. So I know the pricing plans of all these software. Okay, cool. Now, I am not going to be fooled by someone who has a better access to a software that I don't have. I know where the softwares are, what they do, how they cost. I can take an educated decision now. And of course, if I want, I can continue watching. But before that, what is Pinterest and why Pinterest? Pinterest looks like this. It's full of images, but unlike Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok or YouTube feed, they come with this kind of interface. So you have tons and tons of images, video clips, etc. You can click to expand, and if you want to know about the associated website, then you can click right here and visit their website. This pin was a totally random choice, and I have never visited this website before. So I thought, why not we put it into an analytics software and see how much traffic it gets. Looks good, not bad at all. 20,000 monthly visitors. That's a lot. Now I am curious because I found this website on Pinterest. So I want to know how much traffic they get from Pinterest. Go a little down below. It's already getting me excited because most of the traffic are from US. They are the buyers. Oh yes, you should focus on getting buyers to your website, to your content. US people are the top buyers. But hey, focus on buyer. You do not want to make your content or build your website for people who are looking for free stuff, because free doesn't work. You can help poor people with your content, but focus on helping the people who can pay you money, because this is the only way you make money. Now I'm super excited. Yes, they get tons of organic traffic from Google and they have their own traffic, but they also get a lot of traffic from social media. And I am pleased to present you a website that gets tons of Pinterest traffic. So now you understand how a pretty much ugly image like this can get you tons of traffic. Your next question, Mosh, I'm here for money. Show me the money or I will leave. I have Instagram. I'm going to go and scroll funny cat videos. Wait, I'll show you better than cat. This money, my friend, is what you want. So let me put you here, the sad person who doesn't have money, who wants money. And the money is in the wallet of other people. These people are happy, at least in your terms. They have money, so they must be happy. Now, my friend, these are real people. They have desires. You are the person who has what they desire. You give them what they desire, and they will give you what you desire in return. That is how you make money. There is no other shortcut. Please tell me we understand each other, because this part is crucial. So if what you do are catering people who have money, then you are going to be rich. If you do everything for the people who don't have money, then you will stay poor with them. Okay, at this point, don't get me wrong. Charity, donation, sadaqah, that's how you get the grace of Allah. That's how you make Allah happy. And I'll come back to that. I'll come back and show you how to do sadaqah, charity, and make Allah happy. We are talking about the basics of business here. The basics is money is in other people's pocket. This money comes to you when you give them what they want. Now, who are these people? They are customers or buyers after they buy. But before they buy, they are called traffic, visitors, or browsers. We want to turn these browsers into buyers. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. And in the process, I'm going to use the help of AI and will show you how you can use it too. Now, my friend, here comes the sadaqah or the charity part. I'm literally giving away my secrets to you that literally anyone can follow. Do exactly what I'm doing here and make money. I went to AI, which can be ChatGPT, Qwen, or DeepSeek, or any AI platform that you have access to. And instead of watching this video and go through his sales process, I analyzed his video and I learned the whole process step by step. And I can see there are 6 steps. So now I can focus on learning and taking action based on these steps. If I need to analyze more, I will ask more questions to AI, or I will go back and watch more videos. But I know that I need to use these steps to get browsers and then turn browsers into buyers in order to make money. AI made me a nice acronym that I can remember. PINS, pins. Your money is right here. And you start with picking a niche. In this video, he used an example of some chicken recipe. Step number 2. No, not step number 2. Okay, you gotta find a niche, but how? In the video, he used his AI software and some other software. I was a bit annoyed, to be honest, because you do not need any software. All you can do is go to trends.pinterest.com and search with the same keywords that he used, and Pinterest will give you detailed data. It shows you the 1-year trend. It shows you the interested age group, male or female, and the popular pins. You do not need an extra software for this. It's free. So, in the second step, You gotta investigate top pins from your competitors. Okay, Mosh, I understand. I need to pick a niche and I investigated on top pins. I now know what the top pins are. What is the next step? That's step number N. You create new pins with AI. All right, Mosh, that sounds like work to me. And before I devote myself into work, I want to know, why am I working? Money, my friend. You want to make money. Do you remember, for money what you need? You need browsers and some voodoo magical system to turn those browsers into buyers so they pay you money because you have something they desire. Now for this recipe, the target audience or the target buyers have the desire to get some chicken recipe. Okay, money is still not in your pocket. We just located browser. That takes us to this question: why beginner wannabe entrepreneurs like Pinterest for traffic, while this Pinterest guru guy is literally doing just the opposite? I got the answer from AI. It gave me all those boring answers, like Pinterest is a search engine, not social media. People search on Pinterest. Oh, I get it, yes, but beginners don't know about it. It's free traffic without ads. That is understandable. It's easier to rank than Google's SEO. Okay, that's kinda true. People on Pinterest are ready to buy. Yeah, that is a theory. A lot of people say that. Listen, all these are half fake. Here is the reality. Most people do not want to show their faces. They want to show their faces on Instagram, personal photos, what they're doing in their family, cooking, walking, but not for business, not for making money. And these video creators know this. That's why he is getting buyer traffic from his video, but he's teaching you how to get traffic from Pinterest. Somebody is making you look like a fool. Okay, don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to frame him as a villain. He's definitely showing you the right stuff. And it is proven that you can get traffic or browsers from Pinterest without showing face. And that takes me to the next question. Why this video creator is making this video? Okay, before I get there, I want to show you something interesting. I asked QuenChat AI for a list of secrets of getting tons of traffic from Pinterest. So these are quite boring. Everybody knows about this, like optimize your Pinterest profile, create high quality vertical pins or images. We know about that. Use SEO friendly keywords. You will get to know. No worries. Leverage Pinterest trends. Oh, we have learned that already. Just search and Pinterest will give you information. Focus on niche specific boards. Drive traffic with clickable pins. Yes. Your pin should have some link attached to it when you upload a photo. Analyze, optimize performance. Use AI softwares. All these are good, but hey, here we go. Something super interesting and I want to take a screenshot of it because honestly, this is the secret of tons of traffic from Pinterest. And I watched his videos before. He talked about this stuff as well, and you will not like it. Consistent pinning strategy. Aim to pin consistently, ideally 10 to 20 pins per day. Hello? 10 to 20 pins per day. Dude, take it this way. You have 24 hours per day. If you work from 9 to 5, commute to work from home 8 to 9, then again 5 p.m. to 6 p.m., family time and personal time, of course. Let's say total 4 hours, sleep 6 hours. You have only 4 hours left for your side hustle. So you are going to post 20 pins in 4 hours. How does it look easy to you? How does it look fair to you? So all this imagination about making passive income by posting some images on Pinterest boils down to posting 10 to 20 high quality pins or high quality images. After doing all the research, SEO and all these blah blah blahs, you still need to post 10 to 20 pins or images per day to get decent traffic with the 4 hours time that you have in hand. And this is why, my friend, this guy, even me and my students use videos, not Pinterest, to make this kind of money. And my students don't use more than 45 minutes to 90 minutes per day. I do not use more than 90 minutes per day to make this content. And even this guy doesn't use more time than 90 minutes per day. Except my students are enjoying a 99% done for you system. That took me to this question. Why did this video creator make the video? What is his benefit? Here we go, one by one. The video creator made this video for a smart reason. Hey, I don't want to read it to you. I want to use an AI software to create and use one of my avatars and tell you the story. I just put this whole text right here, click import speech. Now the text to voice over is ready.
The video creator made this video for a few smart reasons.
It's coming. Click next, give it a title, and click render video. Now let AI tell you why this guy makes YouTube videos while showing you how to make money from Pinterest.
Why did the video creator make this video? The video creator made this video for a few smart reasons, and he's definitely making money from it in multiple ways. Let's break it down. 1. Affiliate marketing. He mentioned specific AI tools like PinBlender, PinClicks, and Content Goblin. It's very likely that he has affiliate links for these tools. When viewers sign up through his links, he earns a commission, a classic passive income strategy. 2. Promoting his Maverick Mastermind group. He talks about the Maverick Mastermind community, where people discuss Pinterest money-making strategies. This is most likely a paid membership or coaching group. To get people interested, he highlights how profitable Pinterest can be and creates a sense of FOMO, fear of missing out. 3. Growing his YouTube channel. More views mean more YouTube ad revenue. More subscribers give him more authority in the niche. The bigger his audience, the easier it becomes to sell courses, services, or digital products later. 4. Selling digital products or services. He might have courses, ebooks, or consultations about making money on Pinterest. By building trust with his audience, he increases the chances that they will buy from him in the future. 5. Positioning himself as an expert. By becoming the go-to guy for Pinterest money-making strategies, he opens the door for brand sponsorships, collaborations, and consulting opportunities. He can then charge premium prices for his expertise. So, what's the big picture? This video looks like a free tutorial, but in reality, it's a sales funnel designed to lead viewers to sign up for AI tools using his affiliate links, join his Maverick Mastermind community, buy his products or services. He's building an audience and making passive income at the same time. It's a win-win. You get valuable information, and he gets paid when you take action using his links. Smart strategy, right? Now you can do the same thing on Pinterest.
Now the last part is money. You make money when through your clickable pins, you send traffic to your website. Now you can use blog, which will be totally loss of opportunity. You can use online store. It can be hit or miss because running an online store and making profit out of it is a totally different strategy. You need product, you need to handle shipping, you need to test a lot. Of course, these are all doable, but in my opinion, this is not the best approach for beginners, especially for those who have a 9-to-5 day job, because you have a very limited time to perform and actually make some good amount of money. So this is what I recommend, and this is what our students do. This is what we do. We use AI to learn new knowledge and skills fast. Then we use our experience of using AI and the knowledge and skill that we learned, put them together and make short form videos. Not even these long form videos, short form videos. Example, this video that made us tons of money. It's under 1 minute long, and I made it using my phone and nothing else. Then we upload the same video on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. These guys are in a war of getting attention via short videos. So they send you tons and tons of viewers who are also called browsers or traffic. Now through our done for you AI powered sales funnel, these visitors go through a sales process automatically without we trying to sell anything or our students try to sell anything. This AI powered automated funnel does the selling on our behalf, and when there is a sale, we make $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the best of the best part, this whole process is 99% done for you. I have to tell you again that there is a link to a complete step-by-step training in the description below. Watch that training, and at the end of the training, you will learn about our program. From this training, you can take an educated decision whether this is the best opportunity for you or not, whether our 99% done for you is the best thing you can do it for yourself or not. And you can always ask me question via Instagram DM, Facebook Messenger. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Did you like this video? If yes, hit the like button. If not, hit the share button. I'm joking, of course. Please do like and share with your friends and family. It was made to help you. This video is a form of sadaqah from me to my audience for the sake of Allah. I wanted to give you transparent information so you can learn, implement yourself, use AI if you don't have anyone to guide you. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, because this way YouTube will be able to notify you when we will upload our next one. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and I will see you on the next one.